Did you know that just 5 minutes of exercise a day could help lower your blood pressure? That's right, small changes can lead to big health benefits. In this video, I'll show you how a simple tweak in your daily routine can make a measurable difference to your heart health. Let's dive in. A new study has shown that replacing just 5 minutes a day of sedentary activities or low-intensity movement with moderate to vigorous physical activity can reduce blood pressure. Researchers analyzed data from nearly 15,000 people who wore activity trackers and had their blood pressure measured. They found that even tiny increases in exercise, like cycling, climbing stairs, or jogging, made a measurable impact on blood pressure levels. Systolic blood pressure, which measures the pressure when your heart beats, dropped by an average of 0.68 millimeters of mercury. Diastolic blood pressure, the pressure when your heart is at rest, decreased by 0.54 millimeters of mercury. These small changes might seem minor, but they add up, especially when repeated daily. So, why is moderate to vigorous activity so effective? According to experts, activities that make you sweat and breathe a little harder improve the health of your blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and lower stress levels. They also enhance your cardiovascular system's efficiency and help prevent weight gain, an important factor in reducing the risk of hypertension. The best part? You don't need a gym membership to start. Dr. Joanna Blodgett, the study's lead author, highlights that everyday activities like brisk walking, cycling while running errands, or taking the stairs can all count as moderate to vigorous exercise. For example, next time you have a few minutes between meetings, try taking a quick 10-minute walk around your neighborhood. Or, for a more intense boost, try a short workout with bodyweight exercises, jumping rope, or even a fast-paced stair climb. The key is to get your heart rate up, even if it's just for a few minutes at a time. Want to see even greater results? Adding just 10 to 20 minutes of moderate to vigorous exercise daily could lead to clinically meaningful improvements in blood pressure. For example, swapping out 20 minutes of sitting for exercise could lower systolic blood pressure by around 2 millimeters of mercury, a significant improvement. Small changes in your routine can lead to big changes in your health. So, why not start today? Take those 5 minutes to move your body, and your heart will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from this advice.
See you next time.